Let's talk about the case of a retail company from back in 1995. This company name is TESCO and it has its stores across UK. What they did was they created a loyalty card for their customers so that they could gain more information about the transactions that their customer did. So this loyalty card, this club card was launched in February 1995. In this case, what Tesco used this information from this club card and saw how often their customers shopped at a store, what purchases did they make, and when they preferred to shop, and such more information. So, from this information, they saw that there were various stores of Tesco, such as superstores, Metro, Express, Home and Wear, Hypermarket, and they saw that the customers in the communities that were populous, they preferred express stores. Why? Because it provided fast and convenient shopping experience. Using this information, Tesco revamped many of their stores to express model to cater to the needs of the community. So with this, you can see how with business intelligence, you can take an informed decision for your business. And at last, this club card was considered a huge success and was considered to playing a significant role in making Tesco one of the UK's leading supermarket chains.